Ngalan ng Ama, ng Anak, at ng Espiritu Santo. Amen. Magkasama tayo sa pagharap para sa bagong paraan ng pag-aaral gamit ang mga natutuhan sa oras ng lockdown. Nawa ang aming paaralan ay patuloy na maging isang lugar ng pagpapala, pagsulubong at bagong simula. Nanalangin kami para sa diwa ng kooperasyon para sa hinaharap at naway bawat isa sa atin ay maging matapang, ipakita ang paggalang at pagkaawa. Amen. Sa ngalan ng Ama, ng Anak, at ng Espiritu Santo. Amen.
You have all been sent here to this video for a moment in time. Everything you are about to see and experience is a fictional reality.
We are the KIBs, the Kids in Black, and we are part of the Arohanui Tuarua Matrix Corporation, a corporation full of the world's top leading spies and investigators, and also the best looking. Just look how busy we get.
Hello, this is Kids in Black Corporation. How may I help you?
Sir, are you requesting an alien to be destroyed?
This is Agent Josh. We are dispatching 3 agents to you now.
system that is threatening our portals. Without our precious portals, we cannot do our online learning. Are you working on debugging the system?
I'm trying, but this bug is something we've never seen before. It's funny because I can see that it is coming from these coordinates, which according to my calculations, it all comes back to St. Anne's School? Huh?
Wait, St. Anne's? But most of us are all in lockdown. I'm really shocked. How could this be? School isn't even functioning at the moment. Anyways, come on everybody. Come and venture into our amazing... Maybe we can jump into different portals to find the bug and destroy it. Let's look into the Arohanui Tuarua Zoom sessions to see if the bug is there. I need to scan first.
The photo challenge, we had to take a photo of something that represents 4 times 3. My photo shows 4 groups of 3 pencils.
This think map shows how I calculated a division question using the reversibility strategy.
I have used the reversibility strategy to solve division questions. In my calculations, I have been able to use long division to solve this.
Reading is my favorite part of my online learning. I have been continuing my literature circles work during this lockdown 2.0. The book I am reading is The Book Thief. To help me keep track of my reading, I write down notes on the events happening in the book. My task as a vocabulary finder is to find words I'm not familiar with and find the meaning of those words.
During our lockdown, my hub has been doing diary writing. It's really cool because in your writing, you could add all of your feelings during lockdown and what type of mischief you've been getting into. I really like doing this writing because you can be yourself and it feels like you're actually talking to someone in real life. In my writing, I have been really honest of how I am feeling during this time away from school and what keeps me going during lockdown. You can even write down your mood, thoughts, and how your days have been. Lockdown's almost over though, and I am so excited.
Whoa, solid content, solid program. I didn't see the bug at all there. Well, I'm going to enter Mr. Ryan's portal now.
taking over. Mr. Ryan, can you present the awards now? I will try to get our agents to fix your portal. Don't worry, we will save you.
I wonder what this glitch bug thing is all about. Anyway, kids in black, I'm finally on. Let's do the awards. Ni hao, kumasta, namaste, assalamu alaikum, shalom alokum, bulavanaka, whakalofa, tēnā koutou katoa, and good afternoon, everyone. Learning to love, love to learn. Hey guys, well, some of us, it's been a long 2 weeks. For some of you, it might have been quite quick. But on Monday, we're coming back to school. I'm really looking forward to seeing everybody return here to school and be together as a community again. Now, I know some of you will be a little bit anxious about next week, but it's okay. We're doing really, really well. The same safety measures we put in last time for level 2 is what we'll do this time. We'll look after each other. Lots of hand washing, lots of making sure that if we're coughing, we're supposed to be staying home, we cover our mouths. Parents or visitors into the school, if you wish to come and drop your kid off, that's okay. We'll just ask you to grab your phone and do the QR code, or you sign into the office in the register. Right. A big thank you to our Tongan community. So they had their speeches this week. They did not let level 3 hold them down. In fact, they did it by Zoom. Magnificent thing to do. So thank you so much to Mrs. Milich, Mr. Kenny, and the team who put this together. They did a fantastic job, and congrats to all the winners on our Tongan speech finals. And to the parents behind them who helped support them. Right guys, enjoy the assembly. I hope you have some fun. And again, we'll see you all on Monday. First award goes to Miles Arlene for consistently working and sharing literacy and maths home learning tasks and activities. To Lucas Esmero for putting lots of effort into completing IXL maths problems. To Anthony Ariai for using place value houses to do maths problems and completed all his home learning activities. To Jackson Judge for working hard to stay on focused and completing many of his online learning tasks. Anna Joseph for working hard on her daily challenges. We especially love seeing the Snakes and Ladders game that you made. To Lifa Alanipi for completing all online learning tasks to a high standard and sharing these fantastic ones with Miss Pipes. To Sophia Thompson for working consistently on all her online learning. To Ipu Lelua for using torch strategies to solve complex maths problems. To Jordana Kingi for continuing a focused approach to her online learning and completing work to a high standard. Tui Whittington for consistently sharing her online learning and completing her DIMIC problems to a high standard. Yoni Burke for his enthusiasm and hard work towards his maths and writing home tasks. Elizabeth Paris for a commitment to her home learning tasks this week. To Angela Oraha, completing her essential tasks during lockdown to a high standard. Benedicta Halapio for creating an exciting gaming room, sounds really cool, and excellent descriptive writing of the new space. April Lua, outstanding completion of her church strand tasks using a range of Google Apps and iMovie to showcase her learning. Domarin Toma for using iMovie and the green screen to create a video showing excellent understanding of the life of St. Peter. Well done guys, congratulations. Our Excellence Trophy winner this week is Ethan Yosefa Amoa. Congratulations Ethan, I really enjoyed your rap song. You've written it, you've presented it and put it here on assembly to share with the world. Well done, a future music star in the making. Congrats. A Disciple of the Week winner this week is Mark Zimbrano. Mark, congratulations. It's always wonderful to hear our students speak in their first language. Mark, thank you for sharing Tagalog in the prayer today assembly.
Style. Gangnam Style. Oppan Gangnam Style. Oppan Gangnam Style.
Miss Malatino, what are you doing? You look very suspicious.
I am soaked. Ow, I've been stung. I am a bee. You're a shark. I'm a shark. You're a shark. I'm a shark. Don't worry about him. I'm King Kong. I'm King Kong.
Spoon. Thank you, Mr. Ryan, and congratulations to our winners for this week. But I need to get out of this portal ASAP. Hey, Florence, if you can hear me, please keep looking for the bug while I go to check out Mrs. Watson's portal.
Good afternoon, everybody. I hope you're all well and I hope you've had a great week. Well done to the following people who have received Duffy Awards this week. So from Arohanui Tuarua, we have Yvonne Lemmy for working hard to learn the words and for stretching the sounds when reading new and unknown words. In Arohanui Tuarua, Julia Josefa Samu for writing a lovely book about animals. In Tika Tuatahi this week, Kendra Impredo for working so hard on Sunshine Classics and completing all her books and activities. Also in Tika Tuatahi, Adira Tuau for doing lots of hard work with her writing and doing a cool retell from the Dragon Story. In Tika Tuarua, Isilele Tupo for writing an incredible and imaginative story on Google Docs. Also in Tika Tuarua, Nia Hartman for writing a wide range of different creative stories while in lockdown. In Whakanui Tuatahi, Mia Laumia for working exceptionally hard on her research and informational writing. Leanne McLaughlin in Whakanui Tuatahi for amazing research skills which she was able to transfer to her informational online writing task. Well done, Leanne. In Whakanui Tuarua, Malia Luisa Ioane for consistently completing her IXL English activities. Also in Whakanui Tuarua, Elisabetta Kerekere Tabua for consistently completing her IXL English activities. In Arohanui Tuatahi this week, Unique Makalio for working very hard on her home learning tasks during lockdown, especially her reading. Also in Arohanui Tuatahi, Lorenzo Tau for his determined attitude towards his literacy tasks during lockdown. In Arohanui Tuarua this week, Vianney Fauma for using research effectively to support his speech writing. Also in Arohanui Tuarua, Kalani Fatatua for using his initiative to seek feedback to constantly improve his writing. This week in Tumanako, Nadine Chang for outstanding effort with her Duffy Book Challenge. And also in Tumanako, and the last person this week is Jessica Bell for writing a thoughtful poem in the style of Christina Rossetti's what is heavy. Well done, everyone. I hope you have a great weekend, and I look forward to seeing you back at school next week. God bless. Bye-bye.
Thank you, Mrs. Watson, and well done to our Super Duffy winners. We have approximately a couple minutes left before the bug takes hold and closes the portals completely. This means that the KIPS will vanish. I'm going to go and help Florence. For now, I will leave you with a funny video of what we get up to when we are not on our missions. Oopsies.
Hi, Sadie Rose. How are your essentials going? Sadie Rose, do you need any help? Do you need any support? Sadie Rose? Bring the same thing. Glasses, bring your sunglasses just in case we have to.
Hi, everyone. Hi. Oh, nice to see you. Oh, hi. Oh, can you hear me? Hi. Oh.
Unmute yourself, Mrs. Tino.
Hi everyone, how's it going? Having some fun times?
This one is perfect. I love anime. OMG. Nah, this one's too wolfy. This one is perfect, but it's too babyish. This one is perfect. OMG. This one's Earth, and we all love Earth. We all live in Earth anyways. I'm gonna pick this one. Hello, Zoom, and hello, world.
Hello, morena everybody. Good to see you this morning on Zoom. How are we all today? Does anyone have any questions about your flipped learning? Anyone have questions about your maths essential tasks? Hello, you're normally not this quiet at school. No questions? Okay, what's 2 plus 2? Anybody?
Miss, what do you do for the essential task? The only bit I know is G, you have to do it on a slide. But I don't really get it. Oh, so you have to do it on a slide? Right, all the four. What are you doing? What are you doing? Azim. Huh? Azim. What did I tell you exact this morning? Huh? So you do dishes. The kitchen is smelly and stinky. And you did not clean it. Go and do it now. Go. 10 minutes. Go and do it. 10 more minutes. Go. No, not 2 minutes. 10. Please. 10.
Great rap, Agent Ethan. This system keeps glitching bad. I'm still trying to find Florence. Here, everyone, check out the house points. Wait, is that you, Mr. Ryan?
Game well played, kids in black. You saved us all, did you? The combination of coordinates point to St. Anne's. I'd have to say that you're right about that. But in fact, you failed to identify the coordinates actually point to my office. You do the maths, Anne.
What math? We destroyed the bug and got rid of it, Mr. Ryan. We saved you and everyone.
So you thought. Come with me, Anne. Bye, Anne. You have all been sent here to this video for a moment in time. Everything that you experience and are about to see is a fictional reality. Arohanui Tuarua had a bug in their system that was threatening their hub portal. And that bug is me. This is called a neuralizer. The red eye isolates and measures the electronic impulses in your brain, more specifically, the ones for memory. Now, what you see may not always be true. I'm just a figment of your imagination. The only comfort I can offer is my promise that tomorrow morning you won't remember a thing.
Take a walk with me, come on, and make your neck work. Now freeze.
PPAP. I have a handle. I have a soap. Wash, 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 wash. I have a soap. I have a handle. Wash, 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 wash. Clean hand, clean hand. Pray for people and peace.
This is the Super Ultra Neuralizer. The red eye here isolates and measures the neuro. Oh, whatever. All I know is this one's for memory. So what you see is not always true. I am just a figment of your imagination. Bye bye.
We start our prayers with the sign of the cross in Assyrian. Shemit Babat, Brona, Rochet, Kocha, Amen. Allaha Machbana. Kam Garitlin gat Jojach Minnoch. Kam Garitlin gat Meshmach il Galoch Goktawa Gadisha Ugodinye Chadurwanin. Kam Garitlin gat Hamzimmach Ucheyach Chabranoch Go Madrishta Ugo Betwatin. Heyorin gat Hawilin Heimanuta Uhiwi. Iot Amin Hamasha. Danat Yiguta. Maruch Illin. Danat Gashtabta. Shadarin Chakimuta. Danat Chugaya. Helen Chadutuch. Shuk Heimanutin Uhiwiyan Alluch. Hawi Kanona Golibben. U Mdaber Chabranin U Pelchan. Shemit Baba Barona Rochet Gotcha. Amen.